Hi guys, today I am going to prepare zucchini and carrot based gluten-free pizza. So for that I got some carrot zucchini grated, corn flour, parmesan cheese, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, olives, egg white, some artichoke. Just put all the carrots and zucchini. Then I will add corn flour. I can add some seasoning. Salt, pepper is very important. Then I will add egg whites. This is completely vegetarian pizza. So this is a mixture of carrot, zucchini, egg white and corn flour. Adding some parmesan cheese. My dough is ready. So this is the base for pizza. I'm going to make a flat. This you can use any kind of stuffing, up to you. So I'm today going to add just a vegetarian. So now my vegetable pizza base I'm going to cook in the oven. This is 175 around, we can put 15 minutes. Pizza base is ready. The sauce. This is completely gluten free and vegetarian pizza. Mozzarella cheese, olives. You can use any stuffing on top. Some mushroom, which is nice grilled artichoke, also more healthy. Again, I am going to flash this for around 2 minutes. My pizza is done, so going to remove. Wow, look at this. So just remove this butter paper. I have some nice basil garnish, so olive oil also. So my gluten-free vegetable pizza is done.